Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey here, and Memorial Day weekend is going to be here before you know it. So I figured we'll do our annual What's New in the Wildwoods video, where I go ahead and tell you guys, well, what's new in the Wildwoods. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. And a special thank you out to my Patreons at patreon.com. It's because of you guys I can go ahead and do fun videos like this. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start this video in North Wildwood and make our way all the way down to Wildwood Crest. And one thing, for those who are watching on YouTube, there will be a link to the wildwoodvideoarchive.com article where they'll give you more of a description and a link to click on each of these businesses. But let's get started with the Marvis Pancake House. Located at 325 West Spruce Avenue, the Marvis Pancake House replaced the Star Diner, so don't look at the Star Diner, it's no longer there. This will be an extension of the restaurant in Wildwood called the Marvis Diner, but it will have a bigger menu. Next on the list is Beach Bowls. Beach Bowls is located at 5th and New Jersey Avenue, and this was the previous home for Fresh on 5th. Now, Beach Bowls will be carrying everything from acai bowls to fruit bowls, smoothies, breakfast items, and a build-your-own salad bar. Next on our list is a motel, the Isle of Capri Motel, located at 5th and Ocean Avenue. That's actually not the name of it anymore. It is being renovated and rebranded as the Seaport Inn. Yes, it's the same owners that own the Seaport Pier. This place will be open this summer, but right now, renovations are still taking place. There's a new kind of breakfast place coming this year. Please welcome McCoy's Coffee and Cereal Bar to the island. Located at 17th and New York Avenue, McCoy's Coffee and Cereal Bar will be just like how it sounds. Many different kinds of cereal and a lot of coffee. Now we're gonna move over to 24th and Atlantic Avenue for Jersey Joe's Waffles and Eatery. This is the original location of Jimbo's, for those who are wondering. Here they're gonna offer everything from waffles to eggs, and yes, they are opening up the mini golf course. After you're done eating, you're gonna wanna work out, and that's where Spin Sanity comes in. Spin Sanity by the Sea, because this is a new location right on the Wildwood Boardwalk at 20th Street. Here you can wake up and actually do spinning classes and watch the sunrise. Moving 2 blocks south at 22nd Street is Villa Gourmet. If you're looking for that specialty food for your dinner, that's the place you wanna go. From jams all the way over to unique entertaining accessories, they have it all, and I mean, they have it all. And the last place we're gonna visit in North Wildwood is Santuccis Original Square Pizza. Located at 26th and Ocean, yes, down the block from Sam's Pizza, this Philly staple finally took over the Munchies location, and we've been talking about them coming to Wildwood for the past 2 years, so we're so happy they're finally here. Now we're heading into Wildwood, and the first place we're going to talk about is Cluster's Handcraft Popcorn. For those who are missing out on Johnson's popcorn, well, you have a new option that will knock Johnson's completely out of your mind. Cluster's Handcraft Popcorn offer more than just regular popcorn or caramel corn. They've got some amazing flavors, including Cookie Explosion, Peanut Butter Blast, Toasted Coconut, and so much more. They'll be located at Wildwood Avenue and the Boardwalk. In Wildwood, there is a new breakfast place to check out. This is Island Bagels. Located at 3500 Atlantic Avenue, this is the old location of the Boardwalk Bar and Grill. They will offer all great options for breakfast and also serve drinks. For those looking for some awesome clothing, check out Guppy Sustainable Surf Company. They are located at 3113 Pacific Avenue and is an eco-friendly apparel brand where their clothing is made from recycled water bottles and other sustainable materials. One of the bar staples on Pacific Avenue has been rebranded and renovated. If you remember the deck, that is no more. It is now called the Cove. And the Cove did such an amazing job fixing up the exterior. It is now open, and I heard they have a new menu that's to die for. We are down to our final 2 new places in the Wildwoods. We're now heading into Wildwood Crest, starting off with the Tangiers Cafe. Located in the Tangiers Motel, this awesome breakfast spot will offer amazing breakfast options from one-of-a-kind pancakes to killer omelets make sure you give them a follow on Instagram because they do some awesome weekly specials. And if you love to do up drive-in, you're gonna love that place. Now we're down to our final new thing in the Wildwoods, and that is Pon-Tiki charters. Have you ever wanted to rent a tiki-themed pontoon boat in the Wildwoods? Well, now you can. This one-of-a-kind experience allows you to rent a tiki-themed pontoon boat from 1.5 hours to 4 hours to take around the island. Guests are able to bring their own drinks and their own food and plug in their music and just kind of cruise around, whether it's sunset, sunrise, or any time in between. Our update would not be completed without a tour of the new section of the boardwalk between Maple and Oak Avenue. Here's a little tease from our new boardwalk tour. This is looking north up the boardwalk. You can see, obviously, we have brand new shapes. The middle goes to the left. We've got 2 straightaways here, and on the ends, they curve as well as like arrows pointing that way and arrows pointing that way, because obviously it's the way we kind of walk on the boardwalk. Now, I really wish there was 4D so you could smell how fresh the wood is. It smells really, really good. On top of them adding in the wood on top, they added in new steps. So let me show you over here, where you can also see brand new railings. You can see these new railings, and here you can see the new steps. They are wider. So there you guys go. Those are all the new places opening up in the Wildwoods this year. Make sure you go ahead and check them all out. A lot of good ones too. So I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And a special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. You too can support this channel. All you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, I'm Joey, and as always, I'll see you on the beach. See you later. Bye.